Hi everyone. So I'm going to share with everyone about the PINAI. So the topic of mine is, will the future be decentralized personal AI or personal AI that is actually dominated by big tech? This year we all see personal AI is coming. With Apple Intelligence launching last month, and also Microsoft Edge on a device that are coming to the laptop, we see the personal AI is starting from this year. So last month, when Jensen Huang was in an interview with Brad, when Brad was asking about the future of AGI as a personal assistant in your pocket, knows everything about you and can book a hotel, book doctor appointment, when will this personal assistant arrive? So Jensen's answer is pretty simple: soon. And it will start with great utility and get improved over time, as all the technology does. Personal AI is such a big topic for all those Web2 kind of AI big tech companies. But also, it is with greater attention with crypto leaders. So Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, he was also wondering the next future generation of operating system that is acting as her, knows all the information about you and can deploy the local model as a private model on your local device. So he was wondering whether this will be a great opportunity for a startup that is building the next generation of AI-enabled OS. So let's think about the first question. Most people may think the future of personal AI will emerge from big tech, because big tech has everything that a personal AI need, like user, data, and AI. Let's look into data part. So big tech can only access user data via its own products. The three big tech that most possibly can launch personal AI is Apple, Google, and Meta. They each have a rich product offering that address billions of users. But big tech cannot access user data, their external data from user side, because number one, it's regulated by GDPR, regulated by the US, all the state data privacy laws. And the second, since all the big tech is established via their data mode, so they are not actually sharing data with each other. Yeah, so with only partial personal data access, all the big tech, they can only build a partial personal AI. So with Apple, with all the data they have, they can build Apple Intelligence. With Google, it's Google Gemini. Meta is Meta AI. But this is not a truly kind of full-fledged personal AI. And also, the second largest challenge big tech facing is they are not sharing data with third-party developers. Because as I mentioned, they are kind of this closed data ecosystem. So who truly holds 100% solvency over user data? Absolutely, it's users themselves. PINAI's approach is building personal AI on user side, not big tech side. So number one, user have full access of all its data. And number two, PINAI is helping user deploy a local model on their devices. It's their trusted environment. So with this setup, it can generate user intent specific contextual data. So step one is user asks a question. This user intent gets sent to its local model, and this local model will access its personal indexing, access the personal data, and generate kind of intent specific contextual data. After the intent matching, this contextual data will be sent to kind of external personal AI agent. So with this, PINAI is really building the open platform for personal AI. This will enable the third-party developers to participate in the intent bidding, to access your kind of contextual data, provide a personalized experience, which really catch users' attention. And second, we will be launching a TE environment. So like the developers can access much richer kind of personal data. And this will lead to the new era of native personal AI agent ecosystem. So last month, on the same date as Apple Intelligence launch, we launched a Hi-Ping mini app. With 3 weeks, we have already 280,000 users globally. And all those users, they have already connected more than 30,000 data connectors, including like Google, Facebook, Meta, and Twitter. And together, we have seen like more than 120,000 agent interactions. Our roadmap is after this mini app launch, we'll go multi-platforms, and we'll work together with developers to launch more kind of data connectors, including crypto data connectors, including wallet. And also we will be launching diversified AI agents, which including like crypto AI agent can do trade, and the Web2 AI agent can do like ride, food, shopping, and also like native AI agent, including those kind of like AI agent that live on chain. And after that, we will be building the infrastructure ready, like on-chain part, and also like the data part, kind of private cloud, TE environment. And with everything like that, we are launching our open platform for developers. So this is our founders team, like David from core Ethereum research team, and Bill like Stanford AI math PhD, me myself from MIT and also YC. And we also have Regan here, our founding team, head of engineering, and with rich experience of leading crypto and Web2 engineering. And also we have Jack, is leading our growth. His previous experience both in Web2 and Web3. We also have Damien here, and our head of engineering, head of ecosystem from Pantera. Yeah, so this is our investor list. Yeah, we cannot build a personal AI alone, so that's why we are building the coordination layer for personal AI. Without further ado, I'm handing over to Regan.
Right, thanks, Ben. I'm gonna take a little bit deeper dive into the technical side of the ecosystem that we were trying to build. So this would be an overall architecture of the PINAI ecosystem. So how I would view this architecture is like from the bottom to the up. So at the very bottom, we have different data connectors for Facebook, for Google, for Gmail, anything. And then they will go through our personal data protocol. And for everybody, they will be getting their own personal index. Through the on-device model and the server model, the intent that will be enriched and then broadcasted to our intent matching protocol. And on the higher side is the different agents that will be able to be registered into our ecosystem using the agent service protocol. And then when a user's intent is broadcasted, they will be getting matched with the AI agent service through a decentralized intent matching engine. So that's how the flow works. I'm gonna give you a very concrete example. Can you go to the next slide? Yeah. No, the previous one. Yeah. Okay. So, so here from the left side, for a user, I will be able to connect my personal data. And then I will be able to get my personal embeddings from all different categories. For example, I would like to book a flight ticket. And then from the past knowledge, I already have something in the past history saying, hey, I don't like red eye, and I would like to take economy class, and I would like United Airlines. All these informations will be embeddings, be enriching the intent that it will be sent to the intent matching protocol. Then the AI agents on the right side will be able to submit a bid for this intent. And then through the intent matching protocol, they can get matched. And then the user's intent could be fulfilled. I would go into each of the individual protocol a little bit. So here is our personal data protocol. For all the different apps we have right now, we can have a data connector that will be able to get your data and then go through the personal data protocol. The node operators would be able to run the service inside the TE environment to help user to get the data from the corresponding service provider and then generate the embeddings and features for this user and then give it back to you so that for the future intent that can be enriched. Then we have this agent service protocol that will be defining some standard interface and protocols for the agent so that they can be registered into our ecosystem to provide a service for users' intent. So for example, we can have like a Web 2 agents and a Web 3 agents at the same time. And we could potentially re-image the whole Web 2 service into our okay. We will be able to re-image the whole Web 2 service into our ecosystem, because as long as people will be able to build the AI agent that links to Web 2. They don't like this part? This is a fancy part. Yeah. The thing is that we can re-image the whole Web 2 service into our ecosystem. So we are actually not building something from zero, but instead, we just need to connect some Web 2 service, and they can be hooked up into our ecosystem. Then we have this intent matching protocol. So how that works is that the personal AI will submit the intent into the memory pool. And then the AI agents will be able to listen for the intent and submit the bits. Then the decentralized matching engine will be able to do the match, and then providing the AI agent that will be able to provide a service. Then that is how one user's intent could be getting fulfilled. These three main protocols will support our own ecosystem. Here is a demo.
Hi, Davide.
I want to buy a t-shirt.
Yes, got you, Davide, handling now.
The personal AI submits the user intent on-chain to be matched with the best agent for the task. Then, the matching engine selects the top agent in the category based on its attributes and alignment with user preferences. The agent finds the best product on Amazon for the user who just need to confirm the transaction. Finally, a ZK proof is generated for this order, which is verified by the PIN protocol.
This is an end-to-end flow for a very vertical case. But think about any case we can scale this into healthcare, into hotel booking, into shopping. Anything potentially could be incorporated into our ecosystem. So we were building a new world for Web 2, for Web 3 and AI. So we are tackling tons of problems like every day. If you want to be part of the journey, please reach out to us. Thanks.
Excellent. Thank you so much.